TV kani jogo manie sekta mar limbe Mombasa koni gimor gi chenro mar piem mar nyamburko mar safari rally machakore Naivasha odiochieng' makiny bang' yudo moko kuom welo mawuok e pinje mag libamba mageto yuoro e piemno. Gikoni giyudo kwan atamalo maduong' mar welo mawuok e piny libamba ma Uganda magikoni osegoyo tach kadho wadh nam chumbi e thuolo mar ndalo 4 mokalo ka giikore ne yuoro e piemno. Maendi gikoni en achiel kuom chenro magijiwo e kind pinje Afrika mar neno ni gimedo yudo welo to chutho e kinde ma lweny omuoch e pinje mamoko mag wasunge mathoro timo limbe e pacho kae.
We've been to Diani Beach, we've been to Nyari, we've seen the coral reefs, we've tasted the prawns and the shrimps. We've had very nice daylight activities and nightlight activities. It's a place to be for every Ugandan out there who wants to take a break and have fun at the same time. Think about Mombasa.
They have been here from the 7th of March. They traveled by SGR just to come and have fun here in Kenya Coast. They've sampled a lot of products that we offer in the tourism industry, and we look forward to hosting many more. This week there are about 26 who travel by train, and they've been around, and they'll leave tonight for Naivasha.
They're not competing as destinations. The product, the heads of states have set the pace. They have set the East Africa Cooperation. So these programs are actually geared towards economic liberation and growth.
As in Uganda, we don't compete. You complement each other, and that's why to us it is one circuit from Uganda to Kenya, just one circuit of tourism, and that is why a tourist who comes to Kenya, spends some few days, goes to Uganda. We must complement each other.